I don't whine much. Well, maybe I am. So I'm gonna whine. I am so mad at all these people that post videos with workshops. It's freaking bogus. God. I wish I had a workshop. You wanna go to the van? Alright, let's go. Ready? Come. Every time I work on this thing, it's either like super cold, super rainy, super muddy. So, plus I'm getting really super cranky. Oh, what are we doing? What's happening?
I can't see you. Can you see me?
We're digging out so we can work on the van a little bit. I got Stacy out there doing the pleasant, I guess, scraping. It's not that bad, but we're trying to get ready so we can go to Detroit in like 2-3 weeks. We want to go ride the velodrome. It's a pretty new velodrome out there. It's only been around for like a year. I did install our cabinets, so we have basically on the bottom right is where the fridge goes. It's going to be a drawer above. On the left will be our 3 water tanks, basically one the gray water, wastewater tank, and then 2 freshwater tanks, the pump, expansion tank. All the goodies will be on the left side. And then I finished our countertop. That's all ready to be stained and glazed. This will blow the heat out through this, whatever, bunch of holes. Closed all the doors. I got the electric space heater going. I got a propane heater going, so I got it to be warm enough here so I can paint a little bit. Okay, so I got everything painted down here. Basically, I'm underneath the bed right now. This is the front of the vehicle. So then I can put my electrical system, my inverter, charger, battery, everything, fuse box, everything goes on top of the painted surface. I don't have to paint around it. I got the copper line in. Started building the box for, this is one half of the wall, where the box is for the propane tank. Copper line with a T. One goes to our cooktop, and this with the shut-off valve goes to our furnace. I have my air intake that I can close and open from outside air, so we can actually suck in some exterior air for heating. Yeah, this is all coming along. So now I'll do the electric, and then after that I hook up the heat, and then we can go away on a trip. And I don't care about the rest of the finishes for a while until it gets warmer, because this is ridiculous. So thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.